Hello teacher, my name is Milton Andres Paez, and then I present my pronunciation task. From my point of view, I consider that we are the culprits of global warming. I wish this were not the case, but unfortunately we have wasted natural resource irresponsibly. In this way, we have generate large amounts of garbage. We have polluted our water source and we have destroyed a large part of our nature. All this due to our consumer society. This has caused great damage to our planet Earth, so the future descent look promising. promising. In the past, when we talked about global warming, it was well that, that it was something non-existent or that it would never come. Now it's a reality. That is why it's necessary to change our habits of consumerism. If we don't change this, our children will not have the necessary resources to survive. On the other hand, governments and United Nations organization should implement stricter environmental policies and promote the use of green technologies. I hope that when we understand the importance of caring for the environment, it's not too late. If we all work together, we can save our planet and we will give a better future to our next generation. Thank you.